Okay guys, today we will be doing dancing popcorn. As you can see, right here we have popcorn seeds and here's some vinegar. There's a bit of water in a jar. We've got this around it, just in case the popcorn goes exploding out. I mean, we don't want that. And this is Susan, Grace and Jack, as you know.
And this is, what is this?
Wait, what is that again?
Baking soda.
This is baking soda.
Okay. First of all, what are we going to do? I think we put in the vinegar.
No.
Wait,
That's my
Chuck the vinegar first.
okay.
I don't know. We're going to just give this a go.
I thought the popcorn seeds were in there.
Just give it a go.
Let's hope this works, guys. But next time we're gonna, if this doesn't work.
Tip it in. I don't even know how much vinegar that is, but it's a fair amount.
It's pretty much
Jack,
up
you
to
pop
this
some
line.
popcorn in. A handful of popcorn.
Handful. Do you want me to help him? Because that's just fingers.
Yeah. Put some more in.
Jack, let me do it for you.
I'm gonna do it.
Don't lose them. Put them in.
Whoa, that all thinking to the bottom. That was supposed to stay.
Put them all in, Jack.
Where'd it go?
Make sure that they go in. Pick those ones up from the container, Grace, and put them in. That's probably enough popcorn, I reckon.
Yeah.
Right. I think this is going to end in catastrophe because I think I've used way too much
I want more popcorn.
stuff. No more. But Jack, you can put this in. Do you want to tip that in? Out the way, Grace. Stand back.
Oh, no.
Tip it in. Out the way.
Cool, guys.
Good work, Jack.
Can I taste it?
It won't taste good.
Yeah. It tastes disgusting.
All right, now let's watch this popcorn. What is the popcorn doing?
Look, guys. Look at the popcorn. It's going up and down. Can I video it now, Mummy?
Here you go.
I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. Look at
Leave
that.
it there, Jack. Leave it there.
Look at that. It's going up and down.
Just leave it there, Jack.
It's going up and down, up and down, up and down.
You make people sick.
Maybe, but the camera can't make them sick, Mummy. Oops.
I'm gonna do it again.
Look at it dancing. Look, it's going up and it's going down and it's dancing.
Just like it was supposed to be.
Yeah. Well, pass this back.
We'll see you guys later.
Tell them if that was a success or not.
That was definitely in its success because we saw it go exploding too.
All right, you going to say bye, Jack?
Bye bye, guys.